Hello, welcome back to our channel. My name is Rhonda. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you're not, thank you so much for watching my videos and leaving me comments. It really means so much to me. And please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. I really do appreciate you all so much. And today I have my Allure. This is the bonus box. Yes, I decided to go ahead and do the year so I could lock in the $15 I figured up. I think it ends up being like $111 you save by locking that price in, plus you get this bonus box that's supposed to be valued at I'm thinking it was like $265 or something like that. So I did lock it in so that I could save that money. I think it actually ends up being like $13 and something a month by locking it in. So I mean, it's really a good deal, plus all of this for free. So I wanted to show you all what I got. The first thing I was really happy with. You all know from past videos that I really like the Ofra highlighters. Do y'all see I cut my bangs just a tiny bit? Nothing major, just a few little ones there. Not full bangs. I just wanted to have a few, what do you call it? I can't think of what they call it, because it's like wispy, whatever it is. See, it's not full bangs, just a little bit just to see if I like it. So this was totally free. Look how pretty. And this is the Ofra Nikki Tutorials highlighter in Everglow. And there is the colors. Let's see, I will swatch it once. Oops. Let's see here. It's them mixed together. That's the white shade there. And let's see, this is, I don't know what the shades are. Let's see, does it say? Yeah, I don't know what the individual shades are, but this is the medium brown. And then that is the darker brown, which is pretty much the same thing, but yeah, the only one I would probably really wear would be this lighter one here. But it's still really pretty, and I might find some use out of it. So that was free. And those are, I think, $35 if you go to Ofra and buy them. They're $35. So the next thing, sorry, my hair is tickling my face, is the Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio in St. Tropaz. Again, I'm gonna look and see. I know I have a few of these. I don't remember what colors, so I'm not gonna open it and swatch it, because if I already have this will go in a future giveaway. And I'm thinking I might have both of these, but I'm not positive. And this one is my Kona's. Same thing, it's a Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio, and I'm pretty positive I have both of these. So like I said, I don't want to swatch them until I make sure whether I have them or not. And this is, I think this is a tanning phenomenal Vita Advance, yeah, organic tan infused cloths. That says there's 2 of those in here. Oh yeah, there we go. So they're pretty good size there. It's probably enough to, if there's enough stuff on them, to go over pretty much everything. So we will try it and see. And these are Eye Lights in Model Co. And I thought I had these, but I'm pretty sure I don't have the other one. But this is a coppery gold color. Let's see, does it have a color on it? St. Bart's. Okay. Again, I'm not going to swatch this either because I'm not positive on this one either. I know I do have some of the Model Co's that came in past Allure boxes, so I'm pretty sure I don't have this one. I think I would remember for sure because it's almost a black color. It's really pretty though. Look at that. I don't know that I could pull that off, but I might try it because that's kind of interesting. So I might try that. So I got that, and then I got a little makeup eraser. I didn't like these for the longest, but I've actually gotten quite fond of these on those nights that I'm just so tired that I don't feel like doing a major thing, but can't go to sleep with makeup on. It's not a good thing. So, and then this is the Larizzi Liquid Beam Multi-Purpose Liquid Illuminator in Topaz. And there's that. I'm going to put that over here too, just in case, because if I have any of these, I don't want to just put them in a box and not use them. If I have more, I would rather somebody get some use out of them. So I'm going to put them over here and look through my things and see if I have any of these. So this is the St. Tropez Self Tan Purity. It's like a water tan. It's a natural glowing skin bronzing water face mist. So there's that. And then this is the Mammon Red Energy